people, welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's been a while since I did a voiceover. Okay, well, it's not been a while, but yeah, anyways, yeah, well, it's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial voiceover, but anyways, yeah. So today we're going to be creating this really colorful pink makeup look, and yeah, so let's just jump right in. So I've primed my eyes with my Snazari white face paint, and I'm mostly using neon colors for this eyeshadow look. So yeah, I went in with the first shade, which is this pink neon eyeshadow, and then I am taking the orange neon eyeshadow as my transition color to blend. Now going into the purple shade, I'm just adding that like as the at the outer corners of my crease, just to blend out that first pink shade that we put into it. Now once I'm done blending that out, I'm just going to quickly, this is not like a full cut crease, it's like a cut crease but like half. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, as you're watching it, you're seeing what I'm doing. So I'm blending that white into the pink, so there are no harsh lines or there's no demarcation between the white and the pink. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to set that white face paint I put there with my powder from my contour palette. So I felt like the cut crease wasn't really doing justice, so I decided to now extend the cut crease so it really goes like way down. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I felt like. And I actually liked it after I did that. So once I'm done and I finished setting everything, I'm just going into my eyeliner, which is my Marbrook eyeliner, and I'm going to create a smoky wing. It's not a wing liner, but it's more on the smoky side. So yeah. So now going into this black, this is also from the neon eyeshadows I have. I'm just going to use that to blend out the eyeliner, so it's not just liquid there, it's blended into my transition color. So once I'm done with that, clean up and make sure that it's really sharp. So now both eyes are done, lashes are on and everything. I'm going into my Gush Velvet Touch Primer, and I'm using that to just smoothen my face. I really like this primer. It's like really smoothens my face and makes it look really, I don't know, smooth. Then after I'm done with that, I'm going in with my Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn. I haven't used this concealer in like a long while, but yeah, I'm using that to highlight. Then I'm going into my contour shade, my cream. I'm doing a little cream contour with my Black Opal um, cream foundation in Ebony. So just going to use that to contour my my cheekbones, and the bridge of my nose. And once I'm done blending all that out, I will go into my foundation, which is my one of my holy grail foundations, the Elegel HD illuminating foundation in Rich Cocoa. So blend all that out. Now, once everything is all blended and everything looks nice and blended together, I'm going to just set my under eye with my um, Coty Airspun powder. This is the one I had in my Amazon haul. If you haven't seen the video, I'm going to put the link up here. So, yeah, be sure to watch my Amazon haul. But, anyways, this is the powder that I bought recently from my Amazon haul, and I really like it. It's not as the first Coty Airspun powder that I bought, it always leaves like a very white cast anytime you use it, but this one doesn't. So I really like that about this powder. So, anyways, once that is done, or once I will bake a little bit. I mean, I don't even like baking. Like, I've actually, with this powder, I don't see any reason not to bake. Like, it doesn't leave that white cast. So that's a thumbs up for the powder. So before then, I went in and I set my contour with my BH contour palette. I contoured furthermore. Then now I'm blending my entire face with my Black Opal powder. So after that, I'm just applying some blush to blush my cheeks. And after that, we're gonna set this whole baby up. Set this face up. Set this snatch up. Bathe, baby, bathe. Bathe yourself in it. This boredom is making everybody just hype. But anyways, yeah. So now taking my Paula Beauty black eyeliner, I wanted really something like very heavy and smoky under eyes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Once I'm done applying that, I'm going back into the purple neon eyeshadow to just further smoke out that black eyeliner. Now onto the glow. I am going to be glowing to the gods with my Flawless Ivy Glow Kit. Mix these two shades up together and I'm going to glow. Blind all my haters, blind the coronavirus so it doesn't see us. So once I'm done blending my highlights, I'm going to the lips. So just using this random red pencil that is always in my bag. I'm just using it to outline my lips, and then I'm going into my Nuban Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Falcon. So I haven't done a bold lip in like a long while, so I wanted to rock a bold lip today for this look. So guys, this is the finished look. Popped on my wig, changed my outfit, and then yeah, I really like this look. Like it's really colorful. I want to get back into the color spirit. So yeah, if you enjoyed this look, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Help a sister out, and I would definitely see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye.